What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right down below the video, and like always, put that thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and please share the video and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any videos that I put on the channel. So that being said, let's get this video started. So as you can see, I have 3 different colors of these LED decorating trim, lights to, illuminate your dash and all that, your middle console and all that. So the reason why I have a blue, because I thought I'd go with the blue. So pretty much, long story short, the orange and the yellow, I was trying to match the G35, the lights, on the gauges. It's kind of like a yellowish orange. And, yeah, for some reason, the yellow and the orange, they don't really match with the gauges and all that. So I ended up just getting a blue. So this video right here is just going to be a part 1. And what I mean by that is I'm waiting for another blue to come in so I can finish off the trim. But, me being impatient, I had to at least do the dash. So I'm going to do the dash today, and I'm going to do it in blue, so that way it can match my interior for the LEDs that I installed under the floorboard, or like on the floorboard and all that. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. But it gives it a a nice look. So yeah, I got the blue ones coming, but I wanted to do the ones for the dash and illuminate that trim. So these two, I'll show you what it looks like right now. That way you can see the different colors. So yeah, this is the yellow. Now trust me, it might look yellow on camera, but to me it kind of looks green in person, and it didn't really match with the gauge. And then you have the orange, and yes, this looks orange, but it's not the orange that matches with the gauges. So yeah, these have like 3 modes, like strobe mode, and then just like another mode where it just blinks. So yeah, if you want to see part 2, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. That way you could see me do part 2. So these 2, I'm going to get rid of them. Now, if you can see, I just did these where you put in 2 AA batteries. The reason for that is because the ones where you put in your cigarette lighter and all that, I didn't want any wires, being exposed and all that. So to make it look like a cleaner install, I got these. That way I could hide them. And I'm pretty much gonna hide it probably like right here. Like on this little piece, probably clip it. Because these come with, like a little, what do you call it? A bracket, so you can just, put it back there. Well, you get what I'm trying to do. And then that way, if I want to turn them on, I'll just hit it. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And like I said, I'm going to put that light right here. So yeah, the one that I got is a 9-foot cord with 2 AA 3-mode battery charger. So if you want to get these, they're only like $7. And it's a real quick, easy install, and it makes your car look cool. I've heard people say it kind of makes it look nicer and it looks tacky, but I'm gonna try to do a clean install. That way it looks, good, and then it'll match with, the interior on the floorboard. So yeah, so pretty much let's get this video started. Alright, so I'm gonna use this tool. I use this tool to when I purchase like the for the lights, to take off the covers. That way I don't break anything. You could use one of these, or like, a card that you're not using. That way you could fit it in between these little slots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wire, I'm gonna hide it in there, and just on the way down I'm just gonna tuck it in there and try not to pinch the wire. So I'm gonna do that right now. Hopefully it's on video, but yeah, I'm gonna start it right here. Put this
check me out.
okay. Okay, so pretty much like that. So I'm gonna do that all the way to the end, and then when I get over there I'll show you what to do. Okay, so as you can see, I put all the lights all the way right here, and then right here I'm gonna have to pinch it, but not too hard where, you know, it hurts the wire. And just have it all right there. So like that. And then I'm gonna come around the corner and then go on that side. Alright, so now I have it over here hidden. And then right here, I'm gonna pinch it in right there. And then so this first layer, I'm gonna feed it all the way back in there, so that way I can come back around and then just go overlap it and then bring it down. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I already put like the first layer in of lights, and then right here I'm gonna overlap it and go over that one, so that way it looks like one single piece. And then from there I'm gonna feed it down here and hide it and bring it all the way to right here, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do that right now and we'll see how it turns out. So if you want to remove your bottom part, I usually just put my hand back here and pull down, and then it releases it. So I'm gonna put this wire back here, that way it hides it. Like I said, you don't want to push it too hard, because then it's going to bend the wire. And then I'm just going to hide it in here and bring it all the way to over here. That way, you know, it's hidden. You just want to go around that harness right there. That way everything is right here. So we bring this up. This end. Okay, now I'm gonna bring it around that. Bring it around that. Oh, sorry. Okay. Where is it at? Let's see. There it is. Just gonna bring it down right there. That way I can grab it. I can see my other connectors falling off. So let me just grab that piece, and then I'll get it right here, and I'm gonna connect it and then mount it right here, and then we'll turn it on. Alright, so as you can see, I put it right here where it's easy access, so when you want to turn it on and off. So yeah, let's check it out. Let me turn the light off, and then we'll see what it turns out to be. Hopefully it matches my interior. So let me turn off my light. I know it's dark. Hold on. Let's see how this looks. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there's my blue. Let me turn on the one that matches the blue. It's like an aqua. Okay, then I just push this button right here. And there we go. Now, the only thing I don't like about these is you hear that loud ringing or the humming. It's because it's the transformer. It's giving off the juice. But I like it a lot, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, this is just part 1. I'm gonna do part 2 when I get those other lights in. So we'll see how that is. But let me show you from the outside. Here's from the back. That's how it looks like in the front. Yeah, y'all probably hear the ringing, so that's the only downfall. But if I have my music on loud, I won't be able to, you know, hear. I won't be able to hear anything. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you put that thumbs up. And like always, share the video. And, you know, put that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I put on the channel. But that being said, hopefully I'll stay tuned for the next video. And it's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.